Hello friends! Today we're going to play with the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies crane. Let's open up the box and get ready to build something amazing. Here's the drill. We'll use this to screw in all the bolts. Whoa! This crane is huge! It needs 6 wheels to get moving. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look who's here! 2 Bolt Buddies construction workers. They're all dressed up for a day's work, hard hats and all. Now that we've added batteries to the drill, let's use it to put on the wheels. Place the screws and zip, zip. The wheels are on. This crane comes with lots of bolts to drill, so let's practice. This is really fun. Just one more to go. Check out this wrecking ball. Pretty cool, huh? We'll use it to knock things down. Smash! Look at our buddy's face. It changes with a twist, from surprised to happy. And wow, you're really excited today, aren't you? Smash! No wonder, this is so much fun. Time to decorate. This crane comes with lots of stickers. And now we're ready to roll. Hop into the driver's seat. You're in charge of the wrecking ball, and everyone gets to come along. Here's a fun surprise. The box turns into a play set. Just fold it like this, flip it around, and ta-da! Now we've got a city construction site. Let's start building and move those blocks. Swing the crane into action. We can use the drilling board for even more practice. Drill. Beep, beep, beep. Vroom. Off to the next job. And that's the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies crane. Mix and match with other Design and Drill playsets to build your own construction world.